Well, hi, boys and girls. Hey, what's going on here? Who are we missing? Where is Abe? And, oh, who's that? Oh, is that you, Abe? Are you hiding? And where's Banana? Oh, I think I see Banana. No? Yes, I do. Hi, Banana. Oh, you guys are wearing your masks. Oh, can you see? Oh, look, Banana, can you see him? Oh, yes. Can you? Wow. You guys can take your masks off because we're inside. All the boys and girls, they sometimes wear masks too, and shields, and some can't, right? But today, we're going to do something different. Are you guys ready? Yes. Okay, let's take off your masks so the boys and girls can see who is here in front of the camera. Oh my goodness, we can't really tell. So today, I thought we could explain to the boys and girls that you guys do sounds, right? Yes, and then the boys and girls can guess what kind of sounds you both are making, right? So you guys can both do 10 sounds, and then we'll see if the boys and girls can guess. So one of you can go first. Who's going to go first? Does it matter? No, one or two. We'll do one or two, and then somebody else can go. So Abe is first, or Banana. Abe, Banana. Banana's first. All right. Banana, are you ready? Are you nervous? Thinking. Wow. Well, Banana, let's see. Are you ready? All right. Let's see if the boys and girls can get this. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that is very good. Let's give it a couple seconds. What do you think that is? You want to do it one more time? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, and that was a bicycle bell. Very good, boys and girls. Yes, yay. Good job. Good job. Yes, very good. You're clapping for them. All right, the next one. Oh, what's the next one? This is going to be good. Want to take a look? Oh, you're taking a look? Oh, yes. All right, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Want to do it one more time? 1, 2, 3. That was a good one. You think they're going to guess? Yes? Okay, let's see. Indeed, it was a Chinese gong, or just a gong. Yay! You're waving and clapping for the boys and girls. Okay, now it is, whose turn is it? Oh, it's Abe's turn. Yes, okay, Abe, let's go, Abe! Are you shy too? Are you shy? No, you're not shy. Yes, you are. Okay, you ready? Yes? All right. Want to have a peek? Don't show the boys and girls. Are you covering up the lens? All right. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Wow. That's a achoo sneeze. And I think all the boys and girls got that. Good job, right? Yes, good job. Okay, what's next? Going to try that one? Oh, you're looking? Come over here. Come. Are you looking? No, not in here. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2, 3. Wow, that's a difficult one. Let's see. Are you thinking? Are you going to help the boys and girls out? Yes? Okay, well, let's tell them. It was a camera shutter. Yes, that's what a camera does when you take a picture or open it up, right? Yeah. Okay, say bye, boys and girls. Going to do a big animal? Yes? A really big animal. Oh, a big animal? Are you sure? Yes. Yes. All right, let's hear it. Big animal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, was that a big animal? You think so? I think the boys and girls knew what that was. It's a duck. Quack, quack. Yes, it's a duck. Good job. Next one. Got another big animal? Yes, okay. Ooh, let's go do it. Yay. All right. Are you ready? I'm pretty excited. Let's see if the boys and girls can guess this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. One more time. 1, 2. Yay. Oh my goodness. What is that? That's a turkey. Yes. Are you sometimes a turkey? Are you looking for a turkey? Yes. You think the boys and girls got that? Yes, because they're smart. Yes. All right. Where's Abe? Let's find Abe. Hi, Abe. Hi, are you waving to the boys and girls? Are you waving to the boys and girls? Yes. I think they like you. Maybe they like your fuzzy little blue. Yes, your fuzzy little blue. All right. So it's your turn. Oh, big animal or small animal, right? Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Wow. You think the boys and girls got that? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2. Wow. That was exciting. Wow. Yay. The boys and girls got that one. That was a dinosaur roar. Yes. Very good. And what's next? This could be a tough one. This is what you and Banana do together, especially at breakfast. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, do you think they got that? No? Let's do it one more time. I think somebody guessed it. I think Emily guessed it. Emily? Oh, maybe Emily is right. It is eating. Yay! Way to go, Emily. Yes. Okay, let's go and talk to, yes, we're going to talk to Banana. All right, Banana. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think the boys and girls know that. Yes. One more time. 1, 2, 3. I think, yes. You hear that? I think, listen, listen, listen. Yes. I think Johnny and Emily and Rebecca and Seymour, they all guessed it. They said crickets. Yay. All right. Yay. Very good. Yes. All right. What's next? Let's see. You don't want to do that one? How come? No, you don't want to do that one? Let's look. You want to look again? No. How come? No. The boys and girls might laugh. Let's check it out. Okay. 1, 2. Are you ready? Are you hiding? 3. I don't think we need to do that twice. You want to do it again? Are you shy? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think the boys and girls know that one. That is a toilet flushing. Oh my goodness. Yes. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. It's okay. It happens, right? We all have to flush the toilet and wash our hands. Yes, it's very good. All right. Where's Abe? Where's Abe? Abe. All right, he's coming. All right, are you ready, Abe? Ooh, you're excited. Oh, me too. I'm excited. What's next? Oh, are you gonna look? Hey, come over here. Are you gonna look? Yes, come over here. You're gonna look. Oh, do you know how to do that? Okay, you ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Do it again. 1, 2. Boys and girls will get it? You think so? Yes. Oh, Rebecca? No, it's not Rebecca this time. It is. Oh, it's Juliet. Oh, and Robert, and it is Brayden. Yes. Oh, and Stuart. Wow. Yes, they all got it. And Erica got it. It's a foghorn. Yes, it is. Very good. Next one. Oh. Are all the boys going to run? Yes. Oh, they are? Are you worried? Are you worried? You're worried that they're going to run? Okay, well, let's see what it is. Are you ready? Oh, you can look. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Are they still here? Yes, they didn't run outside. Yes, it was an ice cream truck. Yay! Yay! And we like ice cream. Yes, we do. Oh my gosh, yes. Chocolate. Banana, what are you doing? Really? I can't see you. That's upside down. I don't think the boys and girls can see you. There? Yes? No? Come. All right. Are you ready? Oh, you're going to like this one. Yes. You going to look? Yes. Kind of looks like you. Very big. Very big. All right. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Chewbacca, the Wookiee from Star Wars. Yay. Yes, very good. The boys and girls got it. Yay. And what's next? That's a tough one. You ready? No? Are you ready? Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. I think the boys and girls got that one. That is a dog licking. Yes. Oh, yay. Way to go, boys and girls. Yes. Yes. Are you ready? You don't want a hard one? Well, I got to tell you 2 nice ones. You want to see? Want to see? Oh, want to see? Hey, come back here. Hello. Yeah. Come. All right. All right. Take it easy. Let's watch. Let's look. Okay. Okay. The boys and girls are ready. They can wait. They have patience. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3. It's are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, one more time. Wow. That is a muscle car. Yes, a muscle car. Way to go. Cynthia got it. Yes, Cynthia got that one. What's next? Oh, you do this one on water. Yes, on water. Let's see. Ready? 1, 2. Wow, very good. Let's do it again. Very nice. That is rowing a boat. Oh, did that make you tired? Oh, you're laughing. Are you sure? Somebody got it. I think Trevor got that one. Yeah, Trevor. Good job. Oh, hi there, Banana. Are you ready? The last 2. Look at that funky hair. I think the boys and girls love that hair, don't you? Yes, say hi. Hi, Banana and his funky hair. Yeah, all right, you ready? Okay, let's look. Let's look. Can you do that one? All right, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2. Very good. So that was a music box. Yes, it was. All right. Here's the last one. Are you scared? Yes. But that's okay. They're only noises, and you guys are the only ones that can make noises because you cannot talk. Yeah, you have a squeaker. Are you ready? That noise is not going to be frightening you. It might be scary because it's probably loud. Yeah, it's probably loud. Are you ready? 1, 2. Oh, one more time. 1, 2. That was a monster giant. Oh, you were right. It's a scary one, yes. But it's okay. You're the one that did the noise. You guys are the ones that make the sound. Yes. All right. Wait. Yes, because now it's Abe's turn. Yes, it is. We're going to have to let you go. You can come back in a minute with Abe. Boys and girls will hear this noise in a couple weeks. Oh, yes. Some people already hear it every day. Yes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yes. I think everybody knows that. Yes, it's a school bell. Yes, way to go. Yay. Good job. Yes. Boys and girls are very smart. Oh, what's this one? This is you and Banana at night. Yes. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2. Wow. Well, we don't have to do that again, but let's do it anyways. Oh, yes, it's a snoring guy. Yay! You guys are amazing. Yes, let's go get Banana. Oh, what's this? Yes. Oh, but we're doing sounds. But we're doing sounds. Yes. Oh, and you guys picked the book together. Yes. Well, I see that. Oh, sharing is caring. Yeah. Oh, and you guys are sharing together? Yes, that's very good. So is that the book we have to read next? Yes. Okay, well, I'm sure the boys and girls will like that. Well, hopefully the boys and girls like listening to the sounds and guessing, right? Yes. You guys like that too? Well, let's say goodbye to all the boys and girls, and we will see them next time with this book. Sharing and, oh, sharing is caring, right? Yay, sharing is caring. Say bye, guys. Bye.